So hi guys, I'm Aditya and currently I'm working as a software developer. So I hope you guys are doing well. So basically guys, today in this video I just want to explore with you like a very good opportunity, and this opportunity is directly coming from our like Accenture company. We already know nowadays they're hiring again for like a web developer role. So literally this is a very good option. So I just want to add one more point here guys, like if you are completing your degree in 2022, 23, 24, 25 and as well as 26, like it's unlike a graduation, normal graduation degree like BCA, BSc, then you guys are eligible to fill this form. So guys, so you watch it completely this video guys, literally this is a very useful for you. And and I also just want to share you one more thing guys, like just to see here, like here it is mentioned like experience is 0 to 2 years, and like in the job description are mentioning here is like 1 to 3 years of experience. So I explain each and every point guys, so just you watch completely this video what is the like requirement and all. So now I start the video guys, like just you see requirement 26 has been announced to the hire freshers and experienced candidate for the web developer associate roles like Mumbai location. And if you have like a BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, BCom and BBA degree related to fields, then you guys are eligible to fill this form. And this is not only for the freshers, like if you have less than 2 years of experience, then you guys are also eligible to fill this form guys. We already know like if you want to start your career from MNC's company, then at least 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस तो होना ही चाहिए. अगर आप एक नॉर्मल कॉलेज से एक्सपीरियंस का मतलब पढ़ाई करके आ रहे हो तो 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस तो वो ढूंढते ही हैं. सो नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो गाइस, लाइक कंपनी इज एसेंचर, जॉब रोल इज वेब डेवलपर एसोसिएट्स, qualification is like BE, BTech, ME, MTech and BCMCA, and all guys are eligible. And when I talk about the experience is like 0 to 2 year, 0 to 2, it means freshers and experience both are eligible to fill this form. Employment is like full time guys. And the most important question here, just you see here, like they mention in the year is like year of experience is like 0 to 3 years. Role is like web developer associates, experience is like 0 to 2 years is heading, but the details in a specific 1 to 3 years. So the question is like can a fresher apply this form? So yes guys, you can apply this form, there is no any problem. If you are a freshers or if you less than if you are a completely freshers, then you guys are eligible to apply this form. Just you apply this guys. Like if you are a recent graduates, you have like web developer skills, like if you are very good in like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js and or Angular, if you are very confident about these skills, then you apply this form. Definitely guys, you definitely got a call from this company. And you have, and also with like you have internship and academic projects, freelance works और personal projects that demonstrate relevant experience. like अगर आपके पास कोई भी if you have done any internship, then you guys are also eligible. अगर आपने कहीं से internship भी करा हो तो भी आप इससे अप्लाई करो, ये आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है guys. And my recommendation is like 0 years experience freshers. If your profile is matched with the required skills, then literally you apply this form guys. गाइज अगर आप अप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आपको रिजेक्शन हो सकता है या फिर आपको इंटरव्यू का कॉल मिलेगा. सो डेफिनेटली आप इसको अप्लाई करो गाइज. लिटरली अगर आपका प्रोफाइल अगर मैच होता है उनके जॉब के रिक्वायरमेंट से, तो डेफिनेटली आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी गाइज. सो अगर आप मतलब अच्छा आपके पास नॉलेज है वेब डेवलपमेंट के लिए, तो आप इसको अप्लाई करो गाइज. लिटरली बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. तो नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो गाइज, लाइक एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू ऐड वन मोर पॉइंट, लाइक इफ यू कम हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन दिस चैनल्स, देन प्लीज हेल्प मी गाइज. हियर आई मेक ओनली जॉब हंटिंग रिलेटेड वीडियोज. And guys, like if you have any doubt related to your career, just drop me a comment guys, definitely I will help you, definitely I will give you the proper reply guys. So just if you have any problem, just drop me a comment. And so now I move forward in this video guys. What is the like qualifications I already explained you. So just you come here, like web development associates is like experience is like 0 to 2 years. And Mumbai location is guys, job description is like just you see a web development associates. And qualification is like any graduates, like अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करा तो आप इसे अप्लाई करो. एक्सपीरियंस इज लाइक 1 to 3 years. ऑब्वियसली मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया गाइस. सो जस्ट यू कम डाउन एंड आई शो यू ऑल द थिंग्स. लाइक क्वालिफिकेशन इज लाइक जस्ट यू सी एनी ग्रेजुएशन. Location is like completely Mumbai location guys, and additional information just you see, come and read all the things guys. And if you have any doubt related to this requirement, then directly send me the mail to HRs and all guys. So mail is already there, so just you come and fill this form guys. So now we move forward for the second opportunity. Basically second opportunity is coming from our a Wipro company guys. This is like associate, it means like associate developer role, and location is like Kochi, Kerala. So just I just want to, and the purpose, job description, the purpose role is the purpose of this role provide effective technical support to process and actively resolve client issue directly through timely escalation to meet our प्रोसेस। लाइक ये आप सपोर्ट इंजीनियर की तरह आपको यहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा, आप इसे अप्लाई करो। ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है गाइस, फ्रेशर्स के लिए ये भी है, सो आप इसे अप्लाई कर पाओ। सो लिटरली दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज गाइस। सो फॉर द टुडे गाइस दिस इज़ लाइक डन फॉर मी गाइस। सो मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के साथ गाइस। सो तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।